back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery. Why am I talking so fast? Because I want to be the first one to talk about this. Okay, I was on Amazon the other night because I was, Black Friday shopping, Cyber Monday shopping, and I stumbled across something because I do this like once a month. I like to see what new ergonomic hooks are out there. There is a new company, that's right, a new company sold on Amazon, and these hooks are stunning. And affordable. $12 a hook. That's it. $12 a hook. Does not matter what size you pick. All the hooks are the same cost. And I have mine right here because the name of it is Black Diamond. I could not pass that up. Black Diamond. All of the hooks have amazing names. This is not the only one. I am getting the whole set. I have already decided. I have already looked at this hook. I'm sorry. I couldn't wait. I wanted to look at my baby. And I've decided I'm already getting the whole set. I love how it feels. We are going to crochet with it in this video. We're going to see, what it's like. But, okay. So it is packaged like an O-Fire hook because it's in a PVC pipe with the little cork top. So there we go. Although I'm glad if more companies want to package their hooks this way. I mean, I've never gotten a broken one from O-Fire, so yay. I do love O-Fire, by the way. I am not affiliated in any way. I wish. Anyway, this company is called DAIZ. So this is the DAIZ Ergonomic Resin Crochet Hook Black Diamond. Are you ready? You're not ready. You're not ready. I told you weren't ready. Oh my stars. It is so smooth. I don't feel any imperfections. And that feels good. Okay, so I got a 6.5 to make slippers and stuff. So I've got my yarn right here that I usually use. I can find an end. Okay, here we go. Apparently I already have a project started, so we'll just use that. I have a good feeling about this, you guys. I really do. It doesn't matter if this is the wrong size. Oh, it glides. Oh my gosh, it is gliding in my yarn. No way. It is gliding. Oh man, I used to use furls to make my slippers, but now $12 a hook. So one, these are great. So if you go somewhere and you travel with them, but if you would lose one, it's so much cheaper than, losing a furls hook or something. Let's go in these other stitches. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. New favorite, 6.5. Oh, my stars. Okay. Okay. DAIZCROCHET. You need to go. You need to go right now. I wish I was an Amazon affiliate because I have a feeling a lot of you are about to go there, but I'm not. But I'm still going to link it down below for you. And can I just say for the record, I beat Cinnamon Stitches to this. I'm so happy. I have found 2 of the hooks she has mentioned on her channel, but they don't arrive in time for me to talk about them. But I found them first. No, I love her. I love you, Cinnamon. But I was just like, I miss it every time. But this time, I think I'm first. So, DAIZCROCHET. Yes. DAIZCROCHET. It feels great. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It feels amazing. I love this little indent right here. That feels great on this part of my hand. Let's see, for a pencil gripper, I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm not a pencil gripper, but I mean, if I'm doing it right, then yeah, I think that feels great. I mean, you've got this little dent right here is good for this indent in your hand. Does it pass the hand test? Let's see. Yep. Spoonie approved. I have to get more of these. These are so beautiful and they're so good. Yep, I'm getting the whole set. I've decided. So, that was my video today. I think I put out another video today too, but I had to put this out as soon as possible. So, go to Amazon and look for DAIZCROCHET. I will try to link the exact section in the description box below, so you can just click on the link and just go there. Get these as Christmas gifts. $12 for a friend. Come on, friends are worth $12. And get some for yourself. But these would be great Christmas gifts. They really would. They feel really good. I mean, I'm pressing pretty hard on that edge and it's not going anywhere. Now, to be fair, this is a 6.5. Don't do it on a 4. But I don't know all the sizes that they carry. You can spend $12 on yourself for Christmas. Come on. And you can always put it under the tree from yourself. We do that in my house. We're weird. We buy stuff and then put it under the tree. But hey, with my Spoonie brain, I forget about most of them, so it's still a surprise. Okay, I'm not going to keep you any longer. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and so do beautiful crochet hooks. And Spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!